Hey, ProbStats kids. Sorry, not calculus, ProbStats. It's been a long day, and sorry about that, guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thursday. So, welcome to week 12 Friday, and these are your 3 warm-up questions. So, go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions in your warm-up log. I hope you guys are doing okay on distance learning. If you have any questions, please feel free to either send me a message on MS Team or send me an email at ncallahan@washoeschools with a S.net. And I check my emails regularly, so I will be responding to you as soon as possible. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with today's stuff. I have a little comic over here, just in time for fall. All right, so last time I saw you guys, you had a little bit of homework assignment for week 12 Thursday, and you had questions number 48, 8, and number 50, which is on the Google Doc. So week 12 Thursday, you have your textbook pictures on the Google Doc. You should have this on your homework template. So go ahead and make sure that you are checking your answers and that you have this for your homework. Keep in mind that your packet is actually due on Monday. This is actually our last section that we're going to be talking about for this Unit 3. And then when I see you guys on Monday, hopefully in person, because I do miss you guys, I will give you guys the Unit 4 one and turn in the Unit 3. So take a moment and correct that. All right, you guys, just to put things into perspective, this is week 12, Friday. Next week is going to be week 13. Your finals is going to be in week 18. So after next week, you have about 4 more weeks. So about like roughly a month before the semester is over. And then we welcome 2021, which I can't tell you how excited I am because this year has not really gone well. So this is our breakdown for today. You don't have any notes today. So yay. Can't even spell yay because I did too many of these videos today and I'm just simply running on caffeine. So yay for that. But we do have a quiz on 2.5 part 2. It is your last quiz and you're going to be turning your packet, not today, but I would like you guys to get that prepared to be turned in when I see you guys next class, which is either on Monday or Tuesday. I will give you guys a new packet as well. It is going to be on Unit 4 and we'll do that on week 13, Monday. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and get started today. First thing I want you guys to do is take a look at this part here to make sure you guys notice the difference of how the question is set up. So it says the mean is 88, so mean is 88, or you could do that as well. Both of them means mean. Standard deviation is 22, and the z-score is just a z-score, and it says, what is a z-score? What is the score if the z-score is 2.1? So x is what I'm trying to find. So remember, your z-score is going to be x minus x bar over the standard deviation. So if you plug all the information given in, you have x minus, actually, I'm sorry, let's go ahead and do it over here because I don't like the way it's written up over here. 2.1 is equal to x, which I'm trying to find, minus the mean, which is 88, over standard deviation of 22. Okay, so that's how this problem's set up. Now take a look at the bottom problem. The bottom problem says the mean is 15, standard deviation is 1, and the score is 16. Your job is to find z. Here, your job is to find x. So let's go ahead and plug that in. So z is equal to x minus, so 15 minus the average, or I'm sorry, 16. See, this is why we label things, minus 15 over 1. So notice how the questions are set up differently. So obviously, which one do you think is the easier one to find? I would say the bottom one because it's just 16 minus 15, which is 1 divided by 1, which is just 1 then. There's no manipulations of the variable. You don't have to get rid of anything. So then if you take a look up here, if you want to get rid of the divided by 22, we're going to multiply 22 on both sides. Cancel, cancel. So then 22 times 2.1 is going to give you a 46. My pen is being a little weird. 46.2 is equal to x minus 88. Well, what's opposite of a minus 88? You're going to add 88 on both sides, and then your score is going to be 88 plus 46.2. So 134.2, that is your score. And those are the differences of the two different answers. All right, you guys, so on your quiz, number 1 to 9 is going to be worth 1 point. Ooh, what just happened? Number 4 is going to be worth 2 points. And I guess I should say numbers 1 to 3 and 5 to 9. There you go. So a total of 10 points. 3 and 4 are fill in the blank. And number 1, 2, 5 to 9 are multiple choice. So with that said, this is your quiz. You are welcome to go ahead and just pause this video and just show your work on a separate piece of paper, and then go ahead and just email it to me or submit it through MS Team. Or if you would like, I can go ahead and access the MS Team. So give me a second. Let me switch over my screen share here. Oops, no. How do I get off of this? Oh no. Okay, there we go. Oh, and congratulations, Alfie, for being named Male Youth of the Year Scholarship for Boys and Girls Club. So we're just gonna go to prop and stats. And if you guys go to assignments, I'm gonna go ahead and just create the assignment so that way you guys have it. And it's just gonna be titled Week 12, Friday, Section 2.5, Part 2 on Z-score quiz, 10 points. Just put upload, so you guys upload and turn in 10 points. I'm gonna make sure it's in both classes. So there we go. And you guys have exactly 1 week to go ahead and do it. And then I am going to add the assignment from week 12, Friday. So done, and then assign. And hopefully you'll have that pasted. Now, if you don't, that's okay, because I will go ahead and paste this on your page as well, just to make sure that you guys have it. And yes, it actually popped up right there. So awesome. So your quiz actually looks like this. And it is essentially 2 pages. And let me see if I can minimize that a little bit. Ooh, that might be too much. Let's go ahead and click on new. Oh no, I don't want that there. Move that away. And I would like to paste that on here as well, so that way you guys have it as available. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do new conversation, week 12, Friday quiz on Z-score. And that way I have a picture here. And I'm not quite sure if you guys can see that because it looks really small, but we'll just give it a try. How about that? And see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then I will attach it as well. So give me a second. Let me see if it works. There we go. Paste. Oh, yay. So it does work. So if you click on it, you can see it. It's actually pretty big. So it works. Yeah, awesome. So you will have that available. And I want to make sure that I paste this on the other ProbStats class as well, so that everyone has it. New conversation, paste. Do you need to shorten the message? What is going on? Oh my gosh, what is this? Hold on a second. That is just crazy. Let's go ahead and go back a little bit and see what's going on. Yeah, this one apparently is not letting me do what I need to do. So let me edit this. Those are the only two things I want. Copy. Let's try it one more time. Oh no, edit has failed? Jeez. Really? What's going on here? All right. This apparently does not like me right now. But anyways, you saw the quiz. I'll just type it again. Friday quiz on 2.5 Z-score. And we will just do it twice. It's not a problem. When technology fails, we'll still be able to overcome this. Thank you for being patient with me, you guys. I know you're like, geez, this woman talks a lot. I'm really trying to get this done as fast as I can. Okay, I think we are now good. Perfect. So everybody has this for each of the classes. You'll be able to see that, and just click on it and you'll be able to see each of the questions all together. So yeah, I think we are good to go then. And then when you're done with this quiz, I would like you guys to go ahead and get started on your quizzes, which is right here, okay? And the link that you want to go to your quizzes is here. So it is this white Google Doc right there, okay? And it's a capital Z, so make sure you guys are careful with that. But other than that, I think we are good. All right, you guys, I hope you are staying safe and healthy, and I'm super excited to see you guys on Monday. So take care and have a great weekend. All right, guys, stay safe and healthy.